This channel, which makes relaxing videos by mixing liquid or powder substances of different colors, earned an income of approximately $7,953 this month. In this video, I will explain to you the production of this channel's videos with the help of artificial intelligence and the production logic of the videos. We start producing the content by going to Gemini. For this content, I have prepared a Gemini Gem for you that contains a master prompt. We enter this gem, write the details of the mixture you want in the video into the writing section, send the prompt, and wait for our output. By the way, you can find this Gemini Gem I created in the description section of the video, or you can access the master prompt on the master prompt page of our Telegram group at the link where our communities are located, which is also in the description. Because there will be an intro and an ending scene in this content, I requested 2 special visual scenes and 1 video prompt for you. After our prompt is ready, we copy our first scene image prompt and go to the OpenArt site. We select the Create Image tool from the side menu on the OpenArt site, choose the Nano Banana 2 model as the image model, and paste the prompt we copied into the prompt section. We set the output settings to 9:16 vertical and 1000 resolution, press the Generate button, and create our image. After the image is created, we check it and save it. And to create the second image scene, first, we return to Gemini, copy our second scene image prompt, and go to the Edit Image section in OpenArt. We upload our first scene image to the Reference Image section in the opened area, and paste the prompt we copied into the prompt section below it. We choose our production model as Nano Banana 2 and click the Generate button to create our second image. After checking and saving this scene too, we move on to video production as the final stage. After selecting the Frame to Video tool in OpenArt, we return to Gemini one last time and copy the video prompt we created. We return to OpenArt, select Kling 3.0 as the video production model, and place the first image scene we produced into the start frame, and the second image prompt we produced into the end frame section. We paste the video prompt we copied into the prompt section at the bottom, correct minor punctuation and spelling errors, make sure the audio setting is on, and finally, select the duration of the video as 8 seconds and its quality as 720p from the output settings, and I click the Generate button to produce the video. Depending on your preference, you can use different artificial intelligence models at all stages according to your budget and output request. Also, in the content I produced, the duration was a bit short. You can get a more consistent result by extending the duration a little more. Of course, as the most important detail, do not forget that your main goal is to produce quality videos by being as original as possible and adding value to the content in these types of faceless contents. Otherwise, you may face the closure of your monetization feature. The final result of our produced video will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.